Today I will show you how you can quickly earn $10 which you will receive after 7 days on your PayPal. Then you can spend them on whatever you want. Everything you need to know to get the $10 will be explained in this video step by step. As far as how to set up PayPal, you will find lots of movies on the web, and the process itself is simple for the average internet user that I will allow myself to assume that I do not have to record it. Okay, let's do this. The first thing you need to do is create an account on the YSense website. Of course, you can find the link in the video description. On the website, enter your email address and password. And here, note, in order for you to be able to withdraw money without any problems, it must be the same email that you use to set up PayPal. Select the box at the bottom and click here to proceed. Enter your name and surname here and click the Next button. We enter our username as we want, and after proceeding, we mark the acceptance of the regulations, etc. Now to the email address provided earlier. We received a link with the confirmation of the account. So we enter our inbox and click Confirm Email Address, and then we are redirected to the home page. Now it's time to earn the first $10, because that's the minimum we can pay out. At the top of the page, we select Offers and YSense Offers. We see a long list of shares, for which we can get a given amount on our YSense account. Some of them require us to subscribe to a product or purchase it, but we are not interested in these. In my case, I earned my last $10 for playing games like Spins Loops, a simulator of the game on a machine where I won 200 cents, War Thunder, where I got 700 cents for winning 5 games, and Neverwinter, where I won $1 for breaking the 10th level. It took me about 3 hours to complete all the actions, not counting the installation of these games. These offers will change over time, so it is possible that if you watch this movie a year later, you will find other offers. But it's nothing, because the most important thing is that your money is always added to your YSense account. You will learn about the details of each action from the description provided next to each of them, and after entering a given action, you will see a more detailed description. At the top, of course, you will find other quest providers where you will also find a lot of things to do. Sometimes it will be 30 cents, which you will have in your account immediately, and sometimes you will have to wait a bit. Then you will see that on the home page, you have your earned amount next to the text, pending amount. This means that this amount will be credited to your YSense account within 7 days. You will find the exact information on your email, which will look like this. Once the cash is in your account, just select the Cash Out tab at the top of the page and find the payment method you are interested in. As for me, I always choose PayPal. And in this case, we need to have $10 in YSense account to make withdrawals this way. We enter our password and the payment after a while ends up on our PayPal account. Simple? Simple. I am currently testing some new methods of earning money on the internet. Only when I earn on them myself will I make a film about them. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Now I'm testing more pages where you can earn some money.